And malah mau niat kadi Menteri Education Rurum Kelabit ini, yang tahu Dr. Adrian, he's willing to come and me ningar na Dr. Anta de naruh kayam tau. Dan mula ta lun tahu lot bariu, lot lun lelang di yang tahu ini man. Lot sabak puninan, I'm so happy. So glad that we are coming here together. More lukinan ko la na gayam ngan tao lam so sini yana lamayo na orthografi lah kelabit meriit atau seridan. Even though it is just kelabit meriit seridan, it also encompass ada na karo lun tao lah kayo na lun daya, lun bawang, murut, saban, tabun, tering, lun kerayan, and kaina ke, lun kemalu. Because satuuna memang tahu ni paki lukinan paki nak tahu karo tahu ke? Because actually satuuna we have one ancestor language. Malam lah, naam tahu kali nun ancestor language ini. Kan kedua tulu sina na petulungan na tasinay ko malam ngi kedai ngi Lembang naam am diwa kali diwala karo tu diwa nak ko. And then my mother said, oh lun tahu ti ko ni kadi pad na munung pad kiung pad rata apa inan tahu ko rat ngai daya kan. So that's why to me as a nak lah I call it lun tahu lah. Lun tahu lun bawang, lun tahu lun tering, lun tahu nak kayak ini. But it could be anything unless somebody now research and then look at back how 500 years ago. Tulu tahu ngerawe ya, karo tahu luk kini ya. Na ame pad nan karo tahu 500 lak luk nilad. Ni ar ko penan. Ida inan penan tahu ngi lung adang nange. Pun malam ida munang tao ngi pamrit na buka na dalan me pa na lawas nange karo na ni dah lun bawang. So I was quite surprised. So language we adopt different language of our neighbors into our own language. That's why language, the constant with language is change. It always changes. It never is not the same 500 years ago, 1,000 years ago, or whatever. Dia begitu nak renga research malam. When did our language came into being? Tidak ada kan tahu. Any people? Tenggelam. Amta kami baru ngepon dah. Mari tu po. Ming ini leh, mak pemaun. Mau am geda, saga am geda, bah, mau ngar leh. Thank you very much. Mereka buku nak dictionary. Bah, mau ngar leh. It's really wonderful. Bah. When did our language originate? 500 years ago. Okay. Before that, karunun ida. Sign language. Uni manok. Kapa. I believe it existed during Adam time. And then we change until now we have Kelabit, we have all different. You remember the Tower of Babel? So, in fact, actually the Tower of Babel to me is a good thing because then we have different languages. To me, it's not a punishment from God, even though the Bible said it's the punishment from God. But it's also, when you think of it, kan karoda tulu tahu na if we have one language, we will understand each other. The Iranians speak English, the Israelites speak English, Americans speak English. Do we understand each other? Not quite, right? So, but language is very important. Now, there is no original language. Kelabit na meriit, kelabit seridan, kelabit lunglelang, kelabit na bario. Not one of these languages are original because, as I said, language changes over time. Okay. Okay, one linguist said, which one is the kind of the original, not to say original, the language before my language. And then, ini na difference na dialect tau ke. I call it the variant. Luntau Bario malah kira detur lah. Nah, okay, let's say meriit first. Non de tulu tamala female. Karena non de kena tahu Lundaya Bariola and up there the tour non de the tour Bariola DEDTUR kan R Elon Bawang the tour Ura the tour and then meriit the sur. Are they the same? Sa, da, cha. They are coming from the same space in your mouth, your tongue. Da, cha, da. But according to my friend who's a linguist, he said, this probably is your original na. Lopoon. Huh? Kini? Okay, that's sure. Whatever it is, but to me, there's no one language which is superior than any other language. Language, nun reti language, nun fungsi language tani. Komunikasi, ya. But to understand each other. But I said, Israel and Iran, they didn't understand each other, even though they speak English. Yeah, that's great. But one professor, Noam Chomsky, he's a very famous linguist, ya malah, na amin ni pakai communicate, actually it's for thinking. Before you speak, you think first. Do you agree? Kape deh kan tahu. We cannot just speak without thinking, kan? Well, but these are controversial theory lah. But whatever it is, language is for communication.
I think I agree with that.
Yeah.
Sebab it's how you think. Macam like me, I can easily write or communicate in bahasa Malaysia. But when I'm to communicate in English, I have to think about this in BM bahasa Malaysia and then I communicate
In English.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
thinking.
It's a thinking process.
Yes.
Yeah. Language is for thinking. Ada opposition, kritik? Inan? Bah, that's good. Thank you for your contribution. More. And then, inan syllabus na senarok ko na that you have there. Okay, the purpose of having this lesson is for you to understand what an orthography is. Orthography is a system of spelling, standardization. Karo tao lah, nawin ni arlam tao narut no ka. I have to speak a bit more kelabit Lundaya. Na lam WhatsApp tao, bakan ayod na spelling tao di ko. And then it is confusing and it is like, okay, we have to have a standardization. The only problem with standardization is that the different, the different variant will not be taken into consideration. Kayo Tulu lun tahu kalau abit na meriit naro desur kidi-kidi lam na WhatsApp tadi, we lost the tour, we lost the chur, kan? That's the not lah the problem of standardization. But I think we can standardize the meriit Seridan and meriit language. Before I go further, lam buku lun ngilada, lam buku tuan, lam koloni, buku koloni, lam kini lah, lam map na kini, medihit ini kada. Do you know why? Because the orang putih tidak tahu macam mana cakap kelabit, cakap lun bawang ba. So, who were the translator? Orang Jawa, orang Melayu, orang Brunei, orang Bedayu. So, na amida mala, amida mila mala rah meriit. Kaida na mala anak lah. So kelabit. So Pak meriit also is like that. Pak medihit na amilong na lah. Meriit is otak na Pak meriit ni iit ko during kemarau. Iit tu keto. Kayo na Pak meri lembadong ni lah. Dia tidak mana meri iit. Kerap na lun tahu na am ni dah pakai alud guta mageta kerap mageta anak ni dah. Geta pak lah di nun ketau di ulu awar. Kali dia nak meriit. Okay, so these are the kind of things we need to. So before I go, actually, this is the general knowledge about the kelabit. Tulu tahu ni ara na ngini ni dictionary by Mutang Urud. Satu na naam ngaran tatama tasina tatapo kami urud. Murud the bede. So the purpose of this dictionary is to decolonize the language and who we are. Na pasala ini. So I correct it here. Murud, Mutang Murud. Kayo inilah loka Pak meriit ni, Pak medihit. So I correct it to meriit. So this is what is now ongoing in the world of indigenous people lah, decolonizing themselves, their mind, their attitude, their language and all that. So that we own our language, okay, not other people. Bah. Okay, what is orthography? Non-orthography kan tahu na. It's a system of writing a language. One of the reason of writing a standard orthography or spelling is to standardize or to make a common spelling lah in karusin aka. Otherwise, let me kapa spelling mere kan kita tahu. M-E-R-E-Y. Okay? Lun bawang, kurang apa dia deh? M-A-R-E. E. Bah. Welcome. Nah, tahu Famrit? Kapan deh? Okay, kan kedua lah. My orthography is like this. M-E-R-E. Mere with a head. I will tell you after how this is. Okay, I will tell you now. Because tulo mo yun ni Arlam Bukago, I will prove it to you actually. I brought a Bukago here. The Lunbawang Bukago, Balalugdo, put it like this. Inan tupi, mare, kan? So the kelabit one is mare, kelabit meriit. Mare Lunbawang. Mare is the kelabit Lundaya lah. Okay, the problem with this one is, okay, malam nun kan moyo ngan useng. Seng. S-E-N-G. Seng. Ngunda ti ko mala ngan EY naman. Am ko mala seng. Kina ko. Kina teto de kan? Seng. If you say EY is A bahasa da mare seng kan? Tuloy ko mala na I mean you can confuse ko na lah. Say okay, seng. Right, okay. Na problem na beto na tugeng. Malam ni tugeng ka? Tugeng. Tugeng lemulun lek na lah, lek macam lidi itu kurus kering. Ba useng, tugeng also the same lah. I mean, the problem here is you have 3 consonant. Consonant. Tulu tahun niar nun consonant, nun vowel. Vowel is the letters that make sound. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. But actually we also have one. A, I, O, U, and then you have one apostrophe. Afterward, I will ask you to go and write all this. I'll make some sound of a word, then you come up and then you write the thing. And we check together what is the right writing sub munada. I mean, there's no correct writing except that we agree the community of speakers agree to have a common writing system. Do tataw kali dia kan? So orthography is a way of spelling for the community of the speakers. Not kata alphabet. We have to use different alphabet. Now, what is orthography? Like I said, we have to agree to the writing system lah. It includes standardization of the alphabet and the spelling rules and punctuation. This is what they call punctuation. What is in part of the punctuation? Comma, apostrophe, semicolon. These are called punctuation kan. Na inan da malam luntau bario senam itu be the let na kanana krami bulan de. Lucy, yeah. I think the son went to with Dr. Charlotte. Dr. Charlotte did the grammar for this dictionary. So I met her in Oxford, London, just last year actually, October last year. So they came up with a Q. Tau mala abba A, B, P with a Q, abba. Or you can say abba with a. Technically, that is very correct because there is no other, you cannot use Q anywhere else. Because Q and K and Q, the same kan? So technically this is correct. But the Kelabit, Turun Kelabit, you correct me na, Dr. Adrian. The Kelabit, Rurum Kelabit in 2016 I think, Dr. Philip was the president at the time. He said, naam ta pakai Q kana, pakai na apostrophe ta, ngan glottal stop lah, kaya abba, nun tabe. Any more word that use la, sila, sina, tama, that. Okay, with all those kind of. Tulo ko naam naro ini. You completely remove this thing. How do you pronounce it? Nih. Apa. apa tadi kan. So that's why you have to add things like that to sharpen the glottal stop kadang ini. Apa. Actually this is quite unique not quite unique. But also dalam buku ago kini tadi. Buku ago lun bawang na. Apa. Okay. What is orthography again? A system of spelling that we all agreed to do. So that when we write letters, when we write WhatsApp, we have a same standard. Kedua, inan tahu naruh standardized na spelling so that because our language is endangered. Mula tahu lun merar ni tapi mula cerita tahu ni, we should start to write our everyday experience. Or the sekuno cerita adi nun tebedi nani ngilad lah mumu whatever it is, because dictionary dictionary ni ngajar lumulun karo ke. It is only as a reference. So we need to produce other materials. Kayo storybooks, kuan anak adik, kuan lun merar, our experience, biography, kaina ka. We should take time actually to write those things, because to me, a lot of our children, it's really wonderful. And all of you are young people and our Langu here who come from different Langu also, different ethnic group to come and learn how to speak Kelabit. And so we need to write different books, different material for our younger generation to learn the language. Tulo naam tao naro na kaina buku tuan debatsa just like the Bible actually bukago na balalog do it is very good actually that we have the Bible balalog do. Afterward I will refer to the Bible balalog do ninaan to see that there are a lot of similarities. Okay, before we go further, I propose some kind of orthography for Kelabit Meriit. If you look at page inan buku mi, for the spelling, muka berapa itu? Ada alfabet tuh. 25, page 25. The reason why I took this kind of phonology, uni, karo tahu, was because na sina malam ko, na am demila ngayud, am demila na nulis lah, karo tahu nila. Tapi ida missionary ngajar de naruh te abasa sekolah pelayan kira-kira. So they really learn how to speak, to read the buku ago ba. My mother could read the whole Bible, meaning she haven't gone to school, even primary one, not even primary one, whatever, kindergarten, but she could read the Bible. To me, this is phonetically munad lah ngan ketawa. Can somebody do ABC for me? Yeah, alphabet. Mo naruh ko A, B, C, and all that until Z. To me, that was a very good way of learning the language. Maya nak lah, mana phonology, maya uni karo tahu. But okay, how do nun di tahu na alphabet? Is it English, Malay, Baku apa? How is our ABC? Abasa? Malay. Nun di. ABC. Romanize, huh? ABC lah. Okay. Okay, let's say if we say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, Y, Z. Okay, try to pronounce this for me. M, A, L, A. Mala. But that is not ABC. That is totally different dialect. No, different phonology. M, A, L, A. Mele. Kan? Why do you follow the English ABC? Okay. Ida no malam kan sekolah pelayan. Kini tadi dah. Thank you mo. Thanks Abasada we have one here called A. Fagaha ijakalamana opera. We don't have a Q. Rasata uwa nova wa ya jack. No X. Wa ya jack. Actually, this one is the same as ja. Kan? No. Zoo, Jew, juice. So we can cancel this one. So, correct? Now we say the kelabit, this one. Abasada a basa ijakallah ma a la a mala. Hey, correct man? Kan? So to me, tulu lumulun la na mila karutawa mesti dan maya no lah maya alphabet phonology tau phonetic karutawa ka. Karutawa mala anak. Can you follow me on this one? Abasa da fagaha ijaka lamana opera satau wa ya. My brother name is Yaya. So, ya, ya. See, so easy kan? If you master this alphabet, then you can speak Kelabit really well. Even Malay, actually. Okay. Meleke, meleke. Correct? Because you're using ABC ba? Kalau you sekolah pelayanan, malaka. Hey, correct lah. So that's why I think we should really rethink of our phonology for the Kelabit.
The Indonesian, I think they are more of like what you said just now.
Maya sini kamu. Ya. Yes. U, yes. Mo, tu. We also say U. Kayo, mo, correct? That's correct. Because I think they use the Dutch one, Dutch alphabet. Dutch and also I think the Italian and the Spanish, correct? They use that. So if you like urud, or university. Kalau bahasa baku, university, kan? Universitas. Yeah. So it's U.
Kalau V dia jadi
F. V. F. Levis. Okay. Yeah. But you know what? Kami malah tahu Pak Merit malah Pak terbengar inan deme naruh bengar malam ko. The penan Lango, you know how to speak Penan?
No way.
Come on, yes, where? Omoko hak Penan? Pade? Be. My mala awa ko. Okay, they cannot say B, ya. Pak terbengar kan tahu kan? Ida malah ba tervenga. Tervenga. So they don't have B in their language. They have V. Ve. Kan? Ve. Amda malah be. Actually they can say be. Malah no in Penan. Actually I'm wrong to say B, but most often they use ve. Ba terbengar. Like that. Ma. Okay, so okay, let me ask you to do something right for me. Nah, so are you confident in the sekolah pelayan? Hah? Coba. Ba, okay. Again, A, B, S, D, E. We pronounce it and then this one is A. Because we don't have A here. A, B, S, D, E. Kayak ni le. Na is like this, ba? How do you pronounce that? Keleh. Keleh, ha? Kan? L, E, keleh. Or you could use keleh. So this is the here. A, B, S, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, W, Y. Okay, Jack ke dalam. Okay, good. Okay, I want to appoint some of you to write for me. What word do you think you want to write? Okay, never mind. I'll volunteer the word for you. Nah.